Coverage you can count on continues with Heather Herron and Brett Thomas.
Last week's tornado outbreak was certainly historic, but northern Indiana is no stranger to strong tornadoes.
And News Channel 15's meteorologist Hannah Strong dug through the archives today to see how the August 24th, 2016 outbreak stacks up against other historic tornado events. She joins us now live in the Weather Center with that research. Hannah.
Well, there have been 3 historic tornado outbreaks in northern Indiana, including the one from last week. Other than that, the most recent one happened over 40 years ago. April 3rd, 1974, there were 148 tornadoes across 13 states and 1 Canadian province. Over 300 people were killed in that outbreak. It moved through extreme northern Indiana. The one most of you remember, though, was the Palm Sunday outbreak from 1965.
I was a child of the Palm Sunday tornadoes, and my parents sent us to bed. And then woke up the next morning and found out, of all the damage.
47 tornadoes touched down. 10 of those were in Indiana, and of those 10, we saw 5 here in our News Channel 15 viewing area. In Indiana alone, 137 people were killed and 1,200 were injured. Now, last week, we saw 14 tornadoes, 9 of which touched down in our News Channel 15 counties, making that the biggest tornado outbreak in our area. Luckily, there were no fatalities and only a handful of injuries reported. The strongest one last week was an EF3 that hit Allen County. Coming up at 6, we'll look more into how many tornadoes have hit Allen County and the Fort Wayne Metro. Those numbers might surprise you. In the Weather Center, Hannah Strong, News Channel 15.